ingredients for my fruit salad. This cherries, coconut gel, peanut butter, sugar palm fruit, and Eden cheese. I let it drain for a while. Just look at this. What do you think is this? Ooh, purple. Purple for my fruit salad. Wow, ubi. Okay guys, I'm gonna mix this. Okay, mix it first before you put the condensed milk. So it's done mixing. Okay, that's a condensed milk, and then another one is this is a ubi, guys. Oh my god. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna mix it. What's gonna looks like? Oh no, purple. This is a new version of fruit salad. Is purple. Guys, new version of fruit salad. Ubi flavor. Oh, nana. This is new to me. I think new to you too. Okay, the cheese is here. And mix it well. And leave it in the fridge. And ready to serve.